Welcome to All-in-One Scientific Channel. Myself, Pawan. I am Bhagyashree. Today we are going to learn about outer body parts. Let's start. Fingers. These are my fingers. Palm. This is palm. I am rubbing my palm. Wrist. This is wrist. Forearm. This is forearm. Elbow. This is elbow. Arm. This is arm. Face. This is face. I am washing my face. Head. I am moving my head. Hair. This is hair. I have short hair. Forehead. This is forehead. Eyes. These are eyes. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Nose. This is nose. We can breathe with our nose. We can smell with our nose. Mouth. This is mouth. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. We chew our food with our teeth. Tongue. Show me your tongue. This is my tongue. We can taste with our tongue. Cheeks. These are cheeks. Chin. This is chin. Ears. These are ears. I can hear with my ear. Hello, hello. You can hear? Yes, I can hear. Neck. This is neck. Shoulders. These are my shoulders. Chest. These are my chest. Stomach. And so what we learned today? Outer body parts. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching the video.